Hello everyone. Welcome to another session with your Desilicious kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make yummy restaurant style Aloo Bhindi ki sabji. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. So to make this Aloo Bhindi ki sabji, we have taken half kilo potatoes, washed them well, peeled off the skin and chopped them into long pieces like these. Then we have taken 1 kilo bhindi or okra, wash the bhindi very well and let them dry on a clean piece of towel and chop them into long pieces. 4 onions 300 grams chopped into thin pieces. 4 tomatoes 400 grams chopped. 2 to 3 green chillies, we have chopped these just roughly. Coriander leaves for garnish. Garam masala 3/4 teaspoon. Red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder or haldi about half teaspoon. Kasoori methi 1.5 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Coriander powder half tablespoon. Jeera half tablespoon. Sesame seeds, white sesame seeds we have taken 2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Oil for deep frying the vegetables. Yes, this is going to be a bit oily. So now let us take oil for deep frying. So heat oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, let us add in the potatoes that we had chopped. We shall be frying them in batches. Fry until the potatoes turn into golden color. Fry all the potatoes this way, and next is the turn of the bhindi or okra. Again we'll be adding them in batches. Fry until the bhindi just slightly changes color. Do not let the bhindis become brown. We need the bhindis to retain their green color. So this way fry the rest of the okras or bhindi. And now in the same oil, let us add jeera or cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds crackle, add in the white sesame seeds or safed til. After about a minute, add in the chopped onions. Stir the onions for a couple of minutes and then add in ginger garlic paste. Stir until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes. And now add half of the garam masala that we have taken. We will add the remaining garam masala later on. Red chilli powder, dhania powder or coriander powder. Now let us add in the tomatoes. Keep stirring for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of stirring, we have added in Kasoori methi or dry fenugreek leaves. Mix well and stir again for a couple of minutes and then add green chilli or hara mirch. Now let us add in the rest of the garam masala, salt, now the tomatoes have turned mushy and we are adding in the potatoes. Stir for about 5 minutes on a low flame and then add bhindi or okra. Mix very well. Let all the masalas be absorbed by the vegetables and stir for around 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, we are adding in amchur powder, and then now we are going to switch off the flame. Now the flame is switched off. Our aloo bhindi is done and we are serving it in a serving bowl. Doesn't our aloo bhindi look just like the restaurant style aloo bhindi? And believe me, it tastes yummy. We can have this with roti, rice, dal, anything. I hope you all enjoyed watching this recipe. See you soon with another recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.